If you're looking for a home in the Mandarin area of Jacksonville, Florida, this home's a must-see. If you're not familiar with Mandarin, Mandarin's older, tree-lined streets, big oak trees. The river's right here. A lot of houses on the river. There's tons of shopping. To the south, you have Julington Creek, Fruit Cove, Switzerland area. To the north, you have Beauclair and San Marco, which we did a video on San Marco. We're gonna do a video on the Julington Creek area. That's a really good area, but this is Mandarin, Jacksonville. The schools are really good here. And a lot of the houses, come with bigger lots. Like I said, tree-lined streets, it's amazing. This home is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath. It's got a 3/4 of an acre lot, huge lot, beautifully landscaped. It's got a covered gazebo, patio area, pool, big pool, and we're gonna go inside and check it out. So, come on.
All right guys, here we are inside. So when you first walk in, you walk into this bright open floor plan. It's gorgeous in here. So if you walk over here to the left side of the home, you have 3 bedrooms. This bedroom, very open and bright. You have pocket doors. And if we walk this way, you have another bedroom, bedroom number 2. Pocket doors again. They made this an office, and then over here to the right, there's another little cubby pocket office section. If you can't tell, we have brand new LVP floors. Then you have a full bath right here. And then here is the master. You walk into this huge master bedroom. You have tall ceilings, and you have an exit to the outside as well, where your backyard is, which is one of my favorite parts, but we'll get into that later. Then this way is the master bathroom. You have a double vanity, walk-in shower, closet, and then we're gonna take you back into the other room.
All right, Danya showed you the bedrooms. I'm gonna talk about the main living area out here. As you can see, you have a huge main living area. We have a gas fireplace over here, tall ceilings, crown molding throughout, LVP floors all throughout the home. All the windows have been updated as well. You got a nice dining room area can fit a massive table, so if you have a big family. I forgot to say in the beginning, this home's 3,300 square feet. So it's got plenty of room to expand, but I mean, you could fit a table of 20 here probably. In here, we've got a wet bar in here. They've got a little ice maker, but it's nice, so you can serve yourself up a soda or some water, or maybe even a cocktail, maybe a margarita mixer there, I think. And then another little eating area. I think this is considered kind of the eat-in kitchen area. Another exit. You can see the new sliding doors have been replaced as well. Again, crown molding all through the entire house, and a beautiful view of the pool and amazing backyard. We're gonna talk a lot about the backyard, but Danya's gonna show you around in the kitchen. So here we go.
All right guys, so we're gonna walk into this kitchen, and this kitchen when you walk in is just gorgeous from top to bottom. You have this beautiful island with a 6-burner gas stove, very nice hood vent, so if you're cooking and it gets smoky in here, it can go up very easily. 42-inch cabinets. You have a small little pantry here, stainless steel appliances, wine cooler, keep all of your beverages nice and cold. Then you have this like little sitting area as you look out, which is a nice addition. And you have a little hidden pantry for all your little snacks that you like to keep, which I think is really cool. Then if we walk this way, you come over to where the laundry room is, garage, and then there's a bonus room, which we're going to show you next.
All right, this is one of the cool features of this house inside. Outside's amazing part of this home, but great little bonus room, 4th bedroom, game room, obviously. Could be a movie room, whatever. You have a full bath over here. You have a full walk-in closet there, and then tons of space. Video games, obviously. We're gonna go look at the garage. It's got an amazing 3-car garage, and then head outside, which is what makes this home so awesome. All right, you know, we talk a lot about outdoor space here in Florida, and this house is got one that can rival any. It's amazing. It's 3/4 of an acre, tree lined. You see the old oak trees with the moss and the palm trees. I mean, this backyard is absolutely amazing. And this is kind of, you know, if you're looking for space in Jacksonville, this Mandarin area has a lot of older homes on bigger lots, and it gives you a lot of opportunity to have a little bit of space, and you're still close. We got 295 right here. Like I said, Jointon Creek to the south, San Marco downtown to the north, short little drive. But this backyard's amazing. You got a side entry here, walkway coming around. Got a huge yard, tons of beautiful landscaping, fire pit back here. They've got the lights on, I guess, just in case it gets a little dark while we're filming, but this is a cool space. Pavers back here, and it's kind of, you know, you're really kind of feel like you're, you know, maybe out in the country or something, you know. It gives you kind of that feel of having some land when you're back here. I mean, if you look back at the house from here, you know, you've got a huge space. Come over here. We'll work our way back to the pool and the gazebo because it's pretty much the best part, but this tree's been here for hundreds of years, you know. You don't find a lot of trees like that. I mean, if you're in new neighborhoods, and I get it, some, you know, new construction's great. We talk a lot about new construction. It gives you a great opportunity, you know, to have a new home, but, you know, when you find something like this, it's amazing. You got a great workshop, tool shed back here. Got a drive up ramp because you probably will need a riding lawnmower here unless you want to spend a good portion of your day cutting grass. Huge, great workshop with power back here, which is awesome. You could do a lot back here. Hey, you could maybe even make it a mother-in-law suite back here. Got another little shed here, another beautiful tree. You got a double gate here. So you could pull a boat back here. There's also this space here. I think there used to be a hot tub here or something, but you could put like a camper or something like that, you know, because there's no HOA here. So you could have an RV, a camper, or something like that back here. There's plenty of space. As you can see, there's tons of pavers here. This is your pool equipment house here. So all your pool equipment's covered and inside, so it's gonna last a lot longer, which is great. And then you come to pretty much the highlight. Big, huge pool. They don't build pools like this. This pool's actually got a little bit of curve to it, so I think if you drained it, you might be able to skate it. We did a interview with Marty at Kona. I bet Marty at Kona would skate this, but nice big pool. And then this place, this is amazing back here. Huge covered sitting area with vaulted ceilings. The Corona fridge does not stay. They are taking the Corona fridge with them. But you have power, you have hardy board siding, and the view of a lifetime here. This is Florida living here. pool, covered area. You're gonna spend a lot of time out here, even during the day, in the evenings. You're gonna spend a lot of time outside here. So we're gonna head back in and check it out and tell you a little bit more. All right, guys, we're gonna tell you a little bit about the area here again. I know we talked about it in the beginning of the video, but Mandarin, which is a neighborhood kind of area in Jacksonville, it was named because there used to be Mandarin orange farms over here years ago. That's what I was told. So Mandarin's great, good schools. Like we said, San Marco to the north, Jointon Creek, Fruit Cove to the south. Great access to interstates and roads to get to and from work. Tons of shopping, tons of restaurants, grocery stores. There's a La Petite Paris out here. There's Jointon Creek fish camps just right over here down the street from Mandarin. And you know, so there's a lot of opportunities, but if you're looking for a home in Jacksonville with some land, but you don't want to go, you know, out to like the west side or something like that into the country, you have a lot of opportunities here in this Mandarin area to get these estate-sized lots and you know, have some space and feel like you're out in the country, but you're really in the city. So Donya's going to tell you a little bit about the house, and we're going to head out. If you want any information on this house or need any information about the Mandarin area, please reach out to us, and we'll get back in touch with you. See ya.
All right, guys, so that's the end of this home tour. We hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed showing you guys around this beautiful Mandarin estate in Jacksonville. It's 3,300 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and so many gorgeous updates head to toe inside the house. And then outside, the house is the favorite part of it all. It's on 3/4 of an acre. You have a fire pit back there, a storage shed, a huge covered gazebo, and then a huge pool. And so it's just living that Florida lifestyle. You are on this quiet street also, which is nice here in Mandarin. It's an older home, which you get a lot of. And when we were showing you out back, it was pretty quiet. You don't really hear your neighbors because it is such a big lot. And then in the Mandarin area, you're so close to 295, downtown. There's lots of cute parks that are nice and shaded with the old oak trees that we enjoy going to, so we'll have to show you that when we do a Mandarin video, in-depth tour of that. And then you're close to the St. Johns River too, which there's a few little boat accesses that you can put canals or boats out at and enjoy the St. Johns River. And then the shopping here is great also. There's lots of good restaurants here in the Mandarin area, and then there's just the normal shopping centers here and out. So if you guys liked the video and want to see more content like this, please like, comment, and subscribe, and keep an eye out for more videos. Bye.